Watch AI create a fleet asset overview dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building today. This is the data we're working with. Complete fleet information including vehicle details, values, and status. Let's create it live. We start by importing our fleet data file. The system quickly processes our spreadsheet and we're ready to build. With one click on Create Dashboard, Bricks AI springs into action. The artificial intelligence analyzes every column, identifying patterns in vehicle types, purchase values, mileage data, and fleet distribution. It's creating multiple visualizations simultaneously, charts showing vehicle count by status, fleet value trends over time, and average vehicle age analysis. The AI generates comprehensive insights including fleet distribution by color, value breakdowns by manufacturer, and detailed mileage comparisons. Within seconds, our complete fleet asset overview dashboard emerges with 6 dynamic charts and 2 data tables covering depreciation analysis and high-value additions. We can instantly customize the theme for better visual appeal. Now let's explore presentation mode, perfect for executive meetings and stakeholder presentations. The clean, distraction-free interface showcases every visualization beautifully, allowing seamless navigation between insights while maintaining professional formatting for any business context. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through and interact with all our fleet analytics. Try Bricks today and transform your data analysis workflow.